Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to handle tasks into your Monday platform. Before we start, make sure you are logged in to your monday.com account. And if you're new to the platform, don't worry. I'll walk you step by step through everything. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage, automate, and organize your tasks efficiently. The process is going to be a very easy and simple head over monday.com. And we are going to head over to the account, or the dashboard basically, which is going to be represented within the screen. As you can see here, this is your main dashboard. This is where all your projects, tasks, and workspaces are going to appear. The interface is super user-friendly, which makes navigation really simple, even for beginners. Head over Workspaces and select the current workspace that you have in now. Once you have selected the workspace, click on the board, which is going to be right there. And we're going to find all of the tasks that we have. Each board represents a project or a section of your work. Boards are where all the magic happens. You can track your tasks, update progress, and collaborate with your team in real time. So basically, I can go ahead and have the group or the completed group right there. So I have set up a group from tasks to do and also completed tasks. So also, I have an automation right there. On each one of the specific tasks are going to be done, we're going to find them on the completed right there. This setup helps keep everything organized. Separating your to-do and completed tasks ensures that you always know what's pending and what's already been finished. Automations will save you a ton of time by automatically moving tasks once they're marked as done. So normally it is going to be adding them just right there. So automation, change the status. So this is a fault. I'm going to have status to done. And we're going to have them here. So status is done, then set not the status. Basically, I'm going to delete this automation. It is going to be full of nonsense. Move to group, completed. Boom, just like that. Now I'm going to be right here. So as you can see, the automation we just created helps move your task from in progress to completed. This is really useful when managing multiple tasks or when you have a team collaborating on the same board. It keeps your workspace clean and visually organized. So we're going to have the done like that. You're going to find the task added here. So after we have done all of the completed, so we can go ahead and have another automation going on. So we are going to create another automation, changes status to archive. Then we are going to move the item group to not move. But basically, I'm going to have this move, where is it? Archive. I'm going to archive item. So we are going to create the automation. This second automation is extremely helpful once your project is over or tasks are no longer active. Archiving keeps your workspace uncluttered while still preserving old data for future reference. So as you can see, we have the completed. After we have set up the completed, so we are going basically to try it out. I'm going to set this task to archive. We're going to find the automation going on. Basically, it is going to be from to archive, and it is done. So I'm going to try it up into another one. It is going to be archived. So sometimes the automation is not going to work. So it is going to take a little bit of time and it is going to be on the archived. So with that, going to see that it is going to be setting up the automation again, and it is going to take a little bit of time to archive it, but it is okay. Sometimes automations take a few seconds to update, depending on your internet connection or the server response. So don't worry if you don't see the change immediately. It will process automatically. So our automation is working completely fine. Here is it. So we can view our archived items. Basically, I can go ahead and see all of the archived, as you can see here, items. I'm not going to delete them, but instead I'm going to restore them. You're going to find them restored. Restoring items is a great feature if you accidentally archive something or want to revisit older completed tasks for reporting or analysis. Monday makes it easy to bring any archived item back to your workspace with just one click. So that was pretty much it for today's video, how you can handle the completed tasks. Thank you guys for watching, hope that you have enjoyed the content, and hope to see you on the next one. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. I post regular guides about productivity tools like monday.com, Notion, and more, helping you get the most out of your workflow. See you in the next video.